guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a productive day in my life, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off by doing my skincare and brushing my teeth. Okay, so next I'm going to get dressed so I can work out. So finally I picked out these capris from GK and this shirt from Walmart. Also, if you're wondering what type of workout I'm doing, I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. Okay, so I finished working out and I'm going to make my bed, then head downstairs for breakfast. For breakfast, I'm going to have some bagel bread toast with butter and some chamomile tea. Then while I eat it, I'm going to do all of my schoolwork, and yeah. So it's been a couple hours and I'm going to redo my calendar for September because it's still written in August and it's September 7th. After that, I filmed an ASMR cleaning video while getting my room all cleaned up. After that, I added a couple of things to my Notion content calendar. And then started my laundry. And then for the rest of the day, I edited a different video that will be posted next week. At around 7 p.m. I took a walk and then I went ahead and did my nighttime routine. I'm not going to go too in depth with my night routine because this isn't a night routine video, but if you want to check out that video, then hit the link in the iCards. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!